Are you tackling a big project that needs a dumpster rental in Linton, Indiana? Look no further than MK Rolloffs, your go-to solution for waste management. MK Rolloffs provides reliable and affordable dumpster rentals tailored to your needs. Our dumpsters are sturdy, clean, and ready to handle anything you throw at them. Whether tackling a home renovation, cleaning up after a big event, or managing a construction site, MK Rolloffs has you covered. From small residential cleanouts to large commercial projects, we offer a range of dumpster sizes to fit your specific needs. We understand the importance of keeping your project on track, so our team is dedicated to providing prompt delivery and pickup services. At MK Rolloffs, customer satisfaction is our priority, and we're committed to making your waste management experience hassle-free. With our straightforward pricing and commitment to excellent customer service, you can expect fast, friendly service every time. Ready to simplify your project? Call us today at 812-798-7308 or visit our website at www.mkrolloffs.com. Dumpster Rental Linton IN to explore your options and find the perfect dumpster solution. Don't wait, reserve your dumpster now and experience the ease and efficiency of working with MK Rolloffs.